welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is egg and cheese bread and tea for breakfast. So this is fresh pepper. I'm using small. You can use black pepper if you know you don't like pepper. This pepper is not hot, so I only use a little. Onions. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment. And for my old subscriber, thank you for your support. I truly appreciate you all. Tomatoes, so I wanted to cut everything fast. That was why I just put everything in bunch and cut. So you can cut it little by little. Please, you can also join my membership, and I have a membership. Oil, onions. Allow your oil to heat up a little before adding your onions. Stir fry for a few minutes. Don't allow it to overcook. Add your fresh pepper. If you don't have fresh pepper, you can use dry pepper or black pepper or white pepper, any pepper of your choice. Add your chopped tomato. Add a pinch of salt. Add parsley. It's optional. If you don't have parsley, you can use chives. Parsley is just to give it the aroma, but if you don't have, it's fine. Add a pinch of salt to your egg. Pour in the egg and cook. Cover it, allow it to cook. So we're going to flip it to the other side so that the other side can be well cooked. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. In case I upload a new video, you will be notified. And also leave a comment. So I'm checking the other side if it's cooked. It's cooked, so you cut into 4 places. This recipe is very delicious, quick to make for breakfast. Before 10 minutes, you are done with your breakfast. You can use any bread of your choice. So I use normal white bread. You place egg on it first. Cheese. Place cheese on it. Place egg on top of the cheese. Place bread on it. Place egg on it. Followed by cheese again. Place egg again. And bread again. Press it down with your plate, or you can just do it like this, but don't over press it. Cut into two. Oh, so beautiful. You have to try this recipe. Just take a look at the cheese inside. It's so yummy, so tasty. You have to try this recipe. See how beautiful it's looking. You have to try this recipe. So I garnish with ketchup just to have that beautiful look on my presentation. So time to make our tea. I use chocolate and milk. You can use any tea of your choice. Just 10 minutes in the kitchen, your breakfast is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. Share with your friends, families, everybody. That is the only way you can help me to promote my channel. See how beautiful it's looking. So delicious. You have to try this recipe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Bye.